Welcome back, model car fans, to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode, we're going to be doing the final reveal of the Polar Lights 1/25th scale snap fit kit. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here's a look at the box art. A really nice box art, but let's go ahead and get down to the model itself. As I said just a second ago, this is the snap fit or snap it kit. And a lot of detail for a skill level 1 kit. The thing that I like most about this kit was the brushed stainless body. So I went ahead and I took some artistic liberties, on some of the parts and the colors. I just did what I thought would look nice. So if anybody's going to be like super critical, I'm already critical on myself. But, I was pleased with the color choices I made. It stood out nice against the contrasting colors of the body and the black chassis. One of the neatest things I think about this Polar Lights kit, like I said earlier, is the stainless steel body panels. The finish that they used on the plastic is just great, and I didn't want to do anything to it other than just add the snap pieces on it. Rolls really well. On the wheels I did a little black washing. Try to get a look at the interior. As I thought on earlier videos, and I stated that it was going to be kind of hard to see on the inside. I was right. You can see a little bit of the detail, but it's all pretty good. And I'll try to get some light on it later on in the video. There goes the Mr. Fusion reactor there in the center. All the other parts, I don't know what to call them other than time machine parts. The exhaust vents I did up in gold. There's those factory DeLorean wheels. That I did a little black wash on. Went ahead and used permanent markers to do the cable end colors. Not a lot of detail for the bottom chassis pan or floor pan, but enough. I just went ahead and hit it with a little bit of silver to give it some accents. Out of time license plate. And there was different types of reactors, to snap in the center there. There was the one with the cable and the hook that they used to hook the electrical line when the lightning bolt hit the clock tower. Okay, I'm going to try to get some light inside the cab here, see if we can look at some details. Sorry, I got shaky hands. Here's a good look at that brushed stainless finish on the body. Trying to get it where I can see inside. With the sleek low profile of the roof, it kind of making it challenging for me. But in my previous videos, sorry, I'm doing a lot of moving around. Hope nobody's getting motion sick. But in my previous videos, you could see some of the detailing. Not really working out. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to straighten up my lamp here. Alright, try to get another look at that finish. I don't know how they did it in mass quantities, but the finish looks really good. It really looks like stainless steel. All the graining is going one way from front of the vehicle to the back of the vehicle. There's no way I could have painted anything like that and it had to turn out near that good. A lot of detail, as I said earlier in other videos as I went through this kit. A lot of parts and pieces. Let's get a look at the front grille assembly and the headlights. I just went ahead and kind of went over the headlights, so they weren't too chrome. They were chrome pieces. They also just snapped into place. The rear taillight assembly, they were clear pieces, so I made some custom decals and just glued them in place over the lenses with Mod Podge. So again, we've come to the end of this video, and I've got some still pictures of the Time Machine DeLorean. You know, just a great classic TV movie car. And look at that, we're out of time. So we'll see you on the next video. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. As always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.